Hello friends, welcome back to Unlike Learners. I know most of you must be wondering that why I am not uploading videos. Actually, there has been some busy schedule that I was going through, and then some personal problems as well, for which I could not upload videos for a couple of months. But now I'll try to upload at least one video a week. So today in this video I'm going to share about the love of a woman towards the family. In fact, I would call it a kind of sacrifice. And most of you, if you don't know, I also try to write some poems, and generally my poems are free verse style poems. And today in this video I'm going to talk one of my poem that I have written recently. And do not skip the video and watch till the end, because at the end I would tell you what influenced me to write this poem. And if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of all the latest video that I would upload in my channel. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, and for any questions or any suggestion or opinions, do write in the comment section so that I will be motivated and I would take it as a feedback to improve in my next videos. And also I would request you to share my videos as much as you can. So let's begin. Here I've written a poem about women, and the title of my poem is A Queen of Glory, A Crown of Sacrifice. I will read out the poem first and then I'll try to explain the lines. So here it goes. When it comes to making sacrifices, our women seem to have a monopoly on the matter. Moms, wives, sisters, daughters, aunts all have this notion that sacrificing something for someone you love is the ultimate way to let them know you care for them. So here, when it comes to sacrifices, our woman seems to have a monopoly on it. They are the, they always sacrifice for whatever they can. Like our moms, wives, sisters, daughters, aunts all have this notion that sacrificing something for someone they care about, they love, that's the only way to show them that you care for them. In fact, I have seen women get into arguments to fears that one may think they would break into scuffle any moment over who gets to sacrifice the last roti in the casserole. It is not about that last roti though. Women willing turn into sacrificial lambs at every occasion in their life. If we see the women, if we see women get into arguments, they are so fierce, seems like they will break into anything. But when it comes to sacrifice, you see that they are the first. In fact, they are into sacrificial lambs in every occasion in their life. They give up careers to rear children. They stop wearing certain kinds of clothes. To appease their husbands, they change their lifestyle to keep their in-laws happy. Not just that, women take pride in their ability to sacrifice. When we see women around us, we see that they give up their careers to rear children. They stop wearing certain kinds of clothes so that they can satisfy their husbands. And they change their lifestyle just to please their in-laws. They may be liking something, but when they come into their husband's house, they sacrifice so many things, their likes, their careers, their dislikes, so many things they change, and just to make everyone in the family happy. Aren't young girls conditioned to be caregivers and people pleasers since they are born, in teaching them to put their needs below that of everyone else? Society sets them up for a lifetime of compromises. What's worse, we are expected to feel good and take pride in it. So, if we look into the society, aren't the girls conditioned in such a manner that they are the caregivers and people pleasers? Since the day they are born, we teach them that you have to compromise, you have to accept that you got to sacrifice in this case. We try to teach them that their needs should put below that of everyone else. And the worst part is we are expected to feel good about and take pride in it. The worst part is we take pride in dominating a woman. As I look at the men around me, I see how loud they are at work, how assertive and demanding. I see how instead of selfishness, this is viewed as ambition, how it is framed as something desirable. So when we look into the society, when we look around the men, we see that they are very loud at their work, they are very demanding, they are very assertive, they are very selfish. But just compare yourself. Compare yourself with the amount of work that our lady do in the house. Are we really supposed to take pride in what we are doing? I personally feel that no, the sacrifice that our women make and then the hard work that they put in to build a family is more than what we do. I see how they behave at home, how they throw their clothes on the floor, how they leave the dirty dishes on the table. They never offer to lay the dishes or wash up or even push their chairs back in. From a young age, they are taught that women will clean up their mess. So we have been noticing around us that we as a men never care about where to put our clothes. And when we go to the dining table, we never care about the dishes. We just eat, wash our hands and move away. We don't even bother to place the chair in its right place because we have been brought up in such a society, we are taught, it's there in our brain that our women will take care of this. The hand that rocks the cradle, the procreator, the mother of tomorrow, a woman shapes the destiny of civilization, the little girl of today. So at the end, in the closing lines, I'm trying to tell my readers that yes, we got to respect our women and then we got to give them extra care. Come out of the box and show your love and respect to our women because they shape the destiny of civilization. So that's all about this poem. And now let me tell you what influenced me to write this poem. It's been around 4 months. My wife is undergoing a kind of treatment, and so far in the split of 4 months she had 5th surgery, and when I see that she happily accepts to visit the doctor, she happily accepts the surgery and then the pain she is going through. If I talk about myself, I don't like visiting doctors, I don't like going to all those treatment, and if I happen to hear about operations, I'm very afraid of it. Well, thank you all for being with me throughout the video, and I hope you have liked the poem. If you like the poem, please hit the like button, and if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also share my videos. And till the time we meet in the next video, have a wonderful time. Stay home, stay safe. Goodbye.